Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Sheets to build a tax deduction tracker step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Title the spreadsheet Tax Deduction Tracker. In the first row, label the columns for your tracker. Include columns such as date, expense description, and amount. If applicable, add additional columns for categories like receipt or notes. To connect Google Sheets with another service for data import, go to the Extensions menu. Select Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. In the Add-on store, search for Google Sheets Connector or any relevant integration tool. Install your chosen add-on by clicking on Install and following the on-screen instructions. Return to your spreadsheet once the add-on is installed. With the add-on ready, go back to the Extensions menu. Select your installed add-on and then choose Start. Follow any prompts to connect your Google Sheets to the service you want to integrate. Once connected, look for an option to import data relevant to tax deductions. Select the data you wish to gather, such as expense details from a banking app. After configuring your data import settings, execute the import. Now your Google Sheets should automatically populate with your expense data. Next, focus on organizing your data effectively. You can use conditional formatting to highlight certain expenses. Highlight the amount column to identify large expenses quickly. Use filters to sort your expenses by date or category. In the bottom row, create a summary section to total your deductions. Utilize the formula equals sum, range, to calculate total deductions from the amount column. Consider adding graphs to visualize your deductions over time. To ensure accuracy, conduct regular checks of your entries. Periodically update your spreadsheet with new expenses. Make it a habit to review your tax deduction tracker monthly. This way, you will stay organized and prepared for tax season. Customize your tracker as needed to fit your personal requirements. Now you have a comprehensive tax deduction tracker in Google Sheets. You're ready to manage your finances with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.